हम आपके लिए एक और वीडियो लेके यहाँ पर हाजिर हैं. Today we have come up with another video which is a brilliant strategy for trading index. So we'll explain you how we do it. So before that, if you are first time on our channel and you're watching our videos first time, please go and see the existing videos. Subscribe to our YouTube channel. There is a link of our Telegram and Twitter channel on this video below. So please join our Telegram channel for updated charts and regular updates. Also, click on the bell icon so that you do not miss any future videos. I'm very excited about this today. So let's move on to our index Nifty intraday trading strategy, which we started in the month of November, and we had got tremendous success. As we said, necessity is the father of invention. So because of US elections, we did not want to carry overnight positions. So we have holded our strategies, weekly strategies, which we used to do for index. And then we decided to go ahead with intraday trades. So how we do it, what we do it in this, I will explain you. Please watch the video till end so that you do not miss anything. This is a very important strategy and this will take you a long way. We daily basis in the first 5 minutes when the market opens, we share a chart of Nifty with our Telegram channel members and Twitter, and now we have started a Facebook page. We upload over there as well, where we define or where we share the probable resistance and support of the day and how we trade that. We will explain you in this video. Let's go and see what charts we share and how we keep updating our group members over there. So let's move on to our Telegram channel, KPS Trades. So this is our Telegram channel. Now I am already on November 2nd page. So you can see this is our Nifty chart which shared first thing in the morning. If you see this chart, this is 15-minute chart and still 11 minutes to go. So practically first 4 minutes we've shared this range. Now this range or this resistance and support, there is a formulation behind that, how we do it. We use a channel and we use a Fibonacci ratios. You must have known about the Fibonacci ratios. If not, in our Learn and Earn series, we will explain these candlestick patterns as well as Fibonacci ratios so that you will able to understand what are these levels and how this help us to find our support and resistance of the day. So let's move on to this. This is based on our channel and Fibonacci. So you see what we have mentioned over here. We have mentioned in the morning that our resistance for the day is 11,667 and 11,748, whereas the support is 11,617 and 11,535. So market opened above 11,667, didn't sustain and came back immediately. You can see this, see, and it went till 11,570. So our first support was also not held, so it went below. So you see this, we keep updating the updated chart. So it was around 46 points. So what is our first target on this? We normally like to have a 30-point minimum trade. So whenever we are getting 30 points, we keep trailing our stop loss to cost so that we protect our capital and then keep trailing it further for more points. Like in this case, see this, it went further down and it almost gave us a 59 points. See this, what a move. And then it took it support and then came up, but it failed to cross 11,667 this time again and again back, you can see. And only in the third attempt it crossed. By the time our day is done, we had made a decent profit on that and we had booked a good trade. So while going down we get 59 points, while going up we get 49 points. So this is how we keep adding. You see this, this is our second level, the channel, the mid range of channel. So one candle, two candle, three candle, four candle, it failed to cross that. And then you see the fall again, it again came back to our support level of 11617. So this is so precisely the levels worked, and we get a 90 point fall again on that. So it's a two trades in a day, 59 in the first, and then 90 points again. This was a very good trade. So this is the journey which we started, and I really proudly share that we managed to book around 122,000, around 1,22,775 रुपये by just trading one lot, सिर्फ एक lot trade करते हुए. So we have managed to book 1,637 points in Nifty in this market on both sides of the trade in the month of November itself, which is immaculate performance. एक बहुत ही बड़ी achievement है. Every day we trade one or two trades. You can see this. The minimum is around 30 points which we look, and high we can keep moving up like this, 140, 110, 100. See this 34 points, and we have when it goes against us, that's the beauty of this setup. The stop loss is small, so we cut our losses shorter and we let our profits gain. You can again see we have instances where we are happy with our 30 points in a day as well. Then also by trading one lot, we able to achieve this achievement and able to perform that well, that it delivers us one of the best returns for us. So this has really helped us. We have gained a lot on this, and this strategy we keep sharing in our channel, which really gives you guys a view which side to trade. Let's move on to the next day. I will show you few charts and then we will move on to the live market charts, what was there on 27. So see this chart again, the first candle, it was first 8 minutes, the chart was shared in the channel. Nifty opened gap up due to global markets, resistance 11,748, 777,807, whereas support is 11,724, 667 and 617. So Nifty was not able to cross, and when it crossed the resistance, it moved faster, around 24 points, around 30 points, and then it went to day high. And then perfect example today, resistance became support. Then when it came back down, it took support on our resistance level, and then it again moved up from there and another 49 points. So it's a bullish day. Both trades we got on the bull side, and we able to generate two trades on the bull side and able to generate a good return on that. So let's move on to the next day. Same you can see on my sheet, it was, see this two trades. First trade we booked 30 points, and second trade we booked 49 points, both buying from our resistance, because resistance was break from 11,777, and then we moved ahead. See this 11,776 was the level, and then we moved ahead and get those returns. So let's move on to the next day. So this chart was shared again. See this, in first 2 minutes we were very skeptical. These were our resistance level marked, and below is our support levels marked. See, there was a gap, we marked that, also highlighted that how it's gonna work. And Nifty, after breaking 872, so it broke the resistance, and then it hit high the second resistance, which is around 40 points. And let's see how it moved further. But due to volatility after that 40 points, it came down. See this first 40 points, see this, It went up, gave us a 40 points, came down, took support at our level, and again went up. So we trade both sides, because if we know the support and resistance, it's easy for us to trade and see that again from the same level it fall back. So you know the resistance, you know the support, you just need to trade whenever it comes over there. So it gives you really good moves. So now let's come on to last couple of days, or we should, let's go to some big trades which we did, say 11th and 10th November. That will really tell you how the big moves can be captured with this small strategy of trading index, respecting support and resistance levels. So we'll be moving on to those. So this is the 10th November chart. Let's go to the morning chart. Yeah, this is a morning chart. You see the first candle, 15 minutes, it was just first 5 minutes, it was a red candle, and we very clearly mentioned 12,567 as a resistance, 12,604, whereas on the downside support is 12,474 and 12,400. So this, you see, 12,567 was not crossed, its open is equal to high, so that indicates that market tend to go lower initially, and the same thing has happened. It went till 12,475. So you can see this 12,567 was respected, and then 12,474 was respected as well. So this is a brilliant move on the downer side, and then Nifty moved 64 points up from the support, and then it kept moving up from the support, and you see the day. So it took from our support and then it went up to the second level of our resistance and gave us a very big move, because we know this support level. So this really helps us to capture. You can see this 12474. It was already mentioned in the morning itself, and you can see on the updated chart 12474. Two candles touched that level and then boom up, and it went till 12603, 602 somewhere. So which was 122 points, but I booked at 110. So that's why if you see in my sheet, it was 110 points which was captured by us. So let's move on to the next day as well. So next day, how we traded on the 11th. I keep updating even by the end of the day that where's the chart. This was not, I didn't trade it, but it was a trade again on the shorter side, because that resistance of 12604 not able to cross. See the next chart in the morning itself. You can see this chart also, it shared in first 3 minutes. Okay, it's a green candle, but our resistance level is 12717, 12748, whereas support is 12642, 12611. So you can see this, it didn't able to cross 12717 and 12748, and it came below, and then it moved 12748 to 12709. Then it kept moving down till 12679. So we were looking for 642. You see this, except it didn't went sustained above. First green candle, second green candle, and then it broke all the levels. And what was our second support? See this, 12611. And from where we got the first green candle? 12610. So you can't get so precise levels. So this has given us from 12747 to 12610, almost 140 points move in a span of few hours. So really good move. And then you can see how it shaped up, 140 points done for the day, and then day low went till 570, 12571. It kept going low, and then it moved up again back, but we didn't trade this because it was a very fast move. But somebody could have wanted to capture, they would have easily captured when it break 12611, because that was our second level of support for the day. So when it break this, it was clear that it will again go back, it can go back to 12678, 12717 or 12747, and it hit the highest point. So if you see this 140 points down and 140 points up, so easily 200 points trade, but we captured 140 points. I'm happy with that. Anything above 30 points in a day is precisely what we were aiming for. Now let's move on to the last day of the month. Let's see the chart. I'll go to the live chart on that so that you can see how that was traded. You can see this was the chart. So the market fell down from our resistance. So I'll show you the levels what we mentioned on 27th, 13,010, 13,069 and 13,145, whereas support was 12,926 and 12,866. So what was the high? You can see the high was 13,010, and then it went further on the lower side, and from 13,010 to 12,955, and it kept going lower before it bounced back. It went till 12,948, 62 points, where we broke. See this, it went, then it went up again. 13,010 was respected, and again it was down for our levels. So you can see this twice, easily trade both sides. See this, it fell, this was the level, it fell, then it tried but it failed, and then it kept moving down. So you can see this is 26, this is 36, 27th. So the high was 13,035, then second high was 13,030, and then low of the day was 12,994. So from 13,010 to 12,994, it was almost 106 points, 106 points range, which it traded. We captured 62 points out of this. We would have traded bus second side also, but because I was quite busy, so couldn't able to trade. You can see there were few swing trades where we took position and book our profit and took fresh trades. So we keep doing, see this move which we have done. So the best part was these index levels shared on a daily basis with Fibonacci and channel, and based on that we share it on a daily basis, give you support and resistance. So you know, if resistance is not broken, it will fall back until when level, what level it can go down. It's maybe the channel's upper point, channel's mid range or lower point. And if resistance is broken till up level, what is the second level of resistance? So you can ride that till from the first resistance to second resistance and capture your 30-40 points, and keep booking profits, keep trailing stop loss to the cost so that you don't lose. A few times market becomes very volatile and the moves are very fast, so having stop losses placed in the system is well advisable. We use that, and that really helps us to cut our losses. So again, if you see this sheet, it was a really wonderful journey for us in the first month itself. We able to clock in a good profit. We booked around 1637 points in Nifty, which is 1.22 lakh, 1,22,775 रुपए we booked in our first month of trading intraday index. So, and we continue this in the December series as well. So request you all to join the Telegram channel. The Telegram channel link is below the video. Follow us on Twitter for updated charts and regular updated on index movement on a daily basis. In the day, I think 3-4 charts I keep posting, so that you see where is the movement, whether it's respecting support or it's respecting resistance, so you can be updated, right? If you are first time to our YouTube channel, please go and watch our other videos also. There are so many strategies, so many swing trades, success stories has been shared. And please subscribe to the channel, click the bell icon so that you don't miss any of our future videos. I will keep sharing our index strategies, index videos, index success ratios further, and we'll keep you updated on that. Thank you very much. Thanks for your time today. Really appreciate that. Thank you. Bye bye.